Howdy, howdy. All you finger pickers out there, we've got a great old gospel tune, Amazing Grace. Now, this goes back to the 1700s, written by John Newton, who was he was kind of a bad guy for a while there. He was a slave trader and a sea captain, and he got converted during a storm out in the ocean. Converted to Christianity, so he wrote this song as a poem, more or less, at first, and it became hugely popular, and he ended up becoming a clergyman himself when he quit the seafaring trade, so to speak. So here's Amazing Grace. Now this is amazing in a way. In another way, Judy Collins had a top 40 hit with this gospel song in the early 70s. I remember hearing it on the radio, and I thought, wow, how did this? I mean, that's how popular it got on top 40 radio. Imagine. So anyway, we've got this tune is set now. It's a 3/4 tune. Time signature 3/4 means 3 beats to a measure. Quarter note 4. Quarter note gets 1 beat. So it's one of these. Amazing Grace, 1, 2, 3. The second feature in this is that it's in swing rhythm. Now, swing rhythm means when we're playing 8th notes, you'll see it in the tab, which I'll show at the end of the video. These 8th notes, the ones that are joined with a bar, those are 8th notes. The first one is longer than the second, so it's long, short, long, instead of it's long, short, long, short, long. Da, 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 da. Long, short, long, short. So that's swing rhythm. Uneven eighths, sometimes they're called uneven eighths. And we got key of C here. Standard tuning. I have no capo on. And so right. What we've got also in the tab is on some of the possible confusing. Well, for here I've just got the TIM, thumb, index, middle, written above the notes, just to give you a guide at first. Nothing complicated, but then later on I'll just put them in where it might be confusing. So it's TIM, thumb, index, middle. Thumb, index, middle. Let me say something about your picking hand. I don't use finger picks. I do on the banjo. But I started playing nylon string classical guitar years ago. And of course you don't use picks. So I got used to bare fingers. Or bare finger, what they call flesh and nail. Flesh and nail. I hit the string and it just brushes the flesh of the tip of my finger flesh, and then the nail hits it. Now, if you use finger pick, that's fine. I used to use them on guitar. So don't worry either way. Whatever works for you, whatever you're used to. I am used to bare fingers on guitar. So. Okay, so that's a bit about the chords in this. Are just C, we go to an F and use the F, not just this F, use the F with a double bass, the F and C bass, because you use that on the 3rd full measure. See, that's the 5th string. We got a hammer. We're on a G chord. second string, third string, fourth string, gives it the G7, the seventh, flat seventh. Back to C, F, C, A minor on that, this little amen thing at the end. F, it's really an F. You only play the fourth and third string. Or you can go F minor. It's sometimes use it. It's a neat way to do it. F minor, just you have to bar the 3 strings if you want to do that. Instead of just 2 like an F, barring the 2 strings, you bar 3 strings, and it's all ready to go. Lift that one, you get that minor sound. Amen. Beautiful tune, very popular. Give it a shot. This now is not the old finger-picking alternating thumb, right? Now you're getting more independent of your fingers, independent from the thumb. Instead of always coming in after a thumb or with a thumb. See, there's no, after this fourth string, there's no thumb. Till there. So there's a lot of intertwining, so to speak, of these 2 fingers going back and forth without thumb notes here and there. So that's the feature of playing in 3/4 time. Because how are you going to play? You don't want a bass note in every 3 beats. 3/4. Let me see if I could do it. I don't know. It would be too repetitious. Much nicer. All right, take a stab at it. It's a beautiful tune. If you're out there playing for people, you'll get requests for it. It's an old favorite. So we'll see you next time. Have fun with this one.